What's up, guys? Welcome back to Techkutt. You won't believe what I found while scrolling through Amazon today. These knives are absolutely game-changing for your kitchen, and trust me, you're gonna want to see what made it to number 1.
Alright, coming in at number 5 is the Mad Shark 8-inch Santoku knife. I've been using this for about 3 weeks now, and honestly, it's become my go-to for everyday chopping. The blade is made from high-carbon German steel with a 58+ hardness rating, which basically means it stays sharp forever. What I really love is the ergonomic handle. I can chop vegetables for like 20 minutes straight without my hand getting tired. At $28.99 with a 19% discount, it's a steal for the quality you're getting. Perfect for home cooks who want that professional feel without breaking the bank. Number 4 is the Hoshin Ho 7-inch fillet knife, and this thing is seriously impressive. I used it last weekend to prep some salmon, and the precision was just incredible. It's made from Japanese stainless steel that's hand-polished to a 15-degree edge on each side, so it slices through fish like butter. The pocketwood handle feels great in your hand, and it's got this nice balance that makes it super easy to control. Right now, it's on a limited time deal at $29.97, which is 52% off the original price. That's a massive saving. If you're into fishing or just love preparing fish, this is a must-have.
Taking the bronze spot is the Mad Shark 7.5-inch meat cleaver. This thing is an absolute beast. Weighing in at 1.33 pounds with the 3.8mm thick blade, it powers through bones like nobody's business. I used it to break down a whole chicken last week, and it made the job so much easier. The full tang design means it's incredibly durable, and the shock-absorbing hole on top really does help reduce the impact when you're chopping through tougher stuff. At $52.99, it's definitely an investment, but if you cook a lot of meat, especially with bones, this cleaver will pay for itself in no time. Coming in at number 2 is the Cut Luxe carving knife set for barbecue and brisket. This set includes a 12-inch brisket slicing knife and a 6-inch boning knife. And let me tell you, these are some serious tools. The Granton blade edge prevents meat from sticking, which makes slicing through brisket or roasts absolutely effortless. I brought these to a family barbecue last weekend, and my uncle, who's been smoking meat for 30 years, was blown away by how clean the slices were. The full tang ergonomic design gives you perfect control, and at $64.99 with a 34% discount, you're getting professional-grade quality at a reasonable price. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty, so you know it's built to last. And here it is, my number 1 pick, the Dahlstrong Ulu chef knife in the Batman Shadow Black Edition. Okay, I'll admit it, the Batman design is what first caught my eye, but this knife is so much more than just a cool look. The half-moon blade design is based on traditional Alaskan Ulu craftsmanship, and it gives you incredible control and power. I've been using it for everything from mincing herbs to slicing meat, and the versatility is just insane. The high carbon steel blade is coated with black titanium, making it super durable. And the G10 handle with the blue spacer not only looks awesome, but feels great in your hand. It comes with a protective sheath too, which is a nice touch. At around $70, it's definitely on the pricier side, but honestly, the quality and uniqueness make it worth every penny. Plus, it comes with Dahlstrong's lifetime warranty, so you know you're getting something that'll last. All the links to these knives are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Which knife would you choose? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.